A very good morning to viewers, and lots of love and peacefulness and positiveness to all of you. Let us start the day with meditation, which gives us positive energy and it radiates around us. There is no negative situation that we cannot handle. We will fill the day with positivity and smiles on our face. Let us get energized. Let us experience it ourselves. Please follow the description given below and read it thoroughly. It is very important that you know the meaning of meditation and the benefits of meditation. Sit in a calm, relaxed position and get ready to start. Let us do some pranayam, breathing in and breathing out deeply. So, are we ready to start? Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on for 4 counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on 1, 2, 3, 4. Again breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Continue doing this. Repeat this cycle as many times as you can. It's better to continue it for next 10 minutes. Breathe in slowly, exhale slowly. Just be with your breath. Be aware. Be fully aware of your breath. Breathe in slowly 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Continue. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Again deep breaths. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold on 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold on 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Continue the same. Just be calm, serene, peaceful, relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your mind open and just take the energy of the universe. Just continue the same deep breathing. Keep continuing till the music stops after about 8 to 10 minutes. We have completed 10 minutes of peaceful and calm meditation. Just keep your eyes closed and breathe normally now. You can keep your eyes closed and breathe normally. Just be aware of your breath. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Friends, now we are ready for the entire day and we are going to take all the positiveness and fill up the day with cups of positivity. Nothing is going to bring us down. We are going to hold on to faith and we are going to smile. This is Amishi.Honawar signing off. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.